Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. Today we're going to do our what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on January 19th, 2022. Terrific day. 41 orders on eBay, $569.96, and I had one order on Hip for $6.99 I think. So we'll call it $575 for the day. Before we get started, just a reminder, this Friday I will be on Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustlers channel, 6 o'clock Eastern. I love that I am. Is that Eddard Stark, who we put my face on? Eddard gets eliminated in the first season, so I hope that doesn't happen to me. But yeah, come check us out on Chris's channel. It'll surely be a lively talk. So the first postcard, Virginia. This is Norfolk. Swan Pond City Park, very old card for me. Probably been listed 6-7 years, maybe longer. $5.99 for that. Another one of those state maps from Florida, $1.99. Huntsville, Alabama, aerial view of main business section, circa 1950s. There you go. $19 best offer on that card. Hawaiian Islands rice patches, real photo. $4.50 best offer. There's that one. Bridgeville, New Jersey, Crossroads Diner roadside, I'm sorry. $10.75 on a best offer. I've been doing pretty good with these Jersey town diners. In fact, I think I remember hearing that Jersey is just full of diners. $10.49, $10.75. It might have been like diners, drive-ins, and dives. Guy Fieri saying something about that. Wheeling, West Virginia, Market Street, March 1907 flood horse wagons. I had 2 of these. There's that. $12 best offer. Omaha, Nebraska, Douglas Street, 1950s old cars. I've sold this one probably 10 times or so. $3.98, easy seller. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, entrance Liberty Tunnels showing traffic circle, linen. Kind of a dumb place for a traffic circle. I'm pretty sure that doesn't exist anymore. Come speeding out of the tunnel and hit the circle. There's the back. So circa 1940s, you can tell by the cars. 36 according to the code, date code. $8.49 for that card. Next, large letter greetings from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, 1937. There's the date code. Pretty good condition. Someone wanted a quarter for it. I got $2.99. Pismo Beach, California, Edgewater Motel, circa 1940s linen. Probably paid a buck for it in an antique mall. I've sold that card before. $5.99. This is Fortress Monroe, Virginia. The Moat and Entrance. Old card. Yeah, it's been listed. Oh, actually, there's 2 cards. There's the other card. Best offer, $5 for those 2 cards. I don't do that anymore. Group cards like that much. This is Nova Scotia, Canada, Lunenburg, hauling fish, dock scene, fishing hall. There we go. There's that. A little bit of foxing on there. $9.39 for that card. Next, Cincinnati, Ohio, Kings Island Amusement Park, antique car ride. $9.99. This is a continental size. 1975 I saw on the front. So $9.99 for that one. Along the Susquehanna, Wells Bridge, New York, real photo. Got this at the York Postcard Show. Paid approximately 80 cents for that card. Okay, I got $19.99. Valentine's Day girl, red robe, flower, basket, artisan, Heinmuller. Kind of has the look of a Brundage, but it's actually Heinmuller. So it always helps when there are artists signed, but sometimes you just never know. I would, if this wasn't signed, I would consider that like a Brundage. But anyway, $9.99 for that card. Same person bought this Valentine's. To my Valentine, Cupid's with Donkey, unsigned clap saddle. Yeah, $9.99. Not sure if they bought this one also. Same person bought a whole bunch of cards. Decoration Day, Civil War veteran and young girl, 1910 Tuck Brundage. Little corner missing. Unsigned Brundage, but if you go to the Tuck database and look up that serial number or series number of 173, it'll be attributed to Francis Brundage. $17.99 for that card. Large letter greetings, Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Got this at the auction last August. Got a whole bunch of them and getting $2.49 for them. Same person who bought those Valentine's Day cards bought these next several Victorian trade cards. These have been up for quite a while also. I can tell by the hideous red background. So Victorian trade card, use Soapine, French laundry soap, Kendall Company, Baby, October. So there's that. Oh, I thought Baby had a third arm for a second. So $6.99 for that one. Another same trade card stuff. This one's for May. Some flowers there, and the next one, $6.99. This is for the Baby is for September. Looks like a little bunny rabbit or a dog. That's a bunny rabbit. This is what the back looks like. So there's those three trade cards, $6.99 each. This is San Diego, California, entrance U.S. Naval Station, real photo. This also came from the York Postcard Show, paid 80 cents. Pretty common card, $7.50. French Happy New Year, Bon Année. Tinted real photo, two girls. You can see the different colors, so it's tinted. And $10.99 for that card. This is Louis Wayne Katz, The Railroad Station, circa 1904. Took a best offer of $60, $59 and some change. And this is going overseas. There's the kitty cats. And there's Wayne's signature. So yeah, $59 for that card. Patriotic, George Washington birthday, soldiers firing cannon, $7.99. There's that. Is it Cotuit? I'm not sure. Nova Scotia? No, NS. I'm not sure what that means. NS Sears. I don't know. So some house. It looks like it was torn out of another. Torn off of something. I have no clue. I got $5 for it, and it's been up for probably 6, 7, 8 years. Empire, Washington. The Empire Builder, Great Northern Railway Steamliner. So there's that. Seattle, Washington, $8.99. I don't know if you care about the back or not. There's the back. Country Stamps, Crest, Array of Greece, King and Queen Pictures, 1909. And I got $14.99. Paid pennies in the dealer buyout from 2019. Indianapolis, Indiana, City County building. So that's $3.99. Hayward, Wisconsin, Museum of the Ojibwa. Is it Ojibwa or Ojibwe? Indian Nation. Another old card. Good. Get rid of the old backstock there, old listed stuff. $6.99. Lido Beach, Sarasota, Florida, Beach and Sun Limited Swimming Pool. Looks like a best offer of $5. I would love to be right there right now. Next, Pittsburgh Aerial View, Three River Stadium. I think we just had one of these sales the other day. It's a continental size. Have multiple quantities of these and got them in the auction in August last year. Bristol, New Hampshire, Newfound Lake, Sleepy Hollow Beach picnic area. Real photo. $15.94. There's that. Next, best sale of yesterday. This is Greetings, Houston, Texas, Criminal Court Building, Courthouse, 1909. Sold it at auction for $133.81. The comps on this were not that high. I don't think they were. I think they were $30, $40, something like that. And there's the back. Yeah, it had 5 bidders, and one of them, at least one of them, was that there's 2 guys from, or who bid on Houston, Texas cards. They're like Mr. something and Mr. something. One's MR whatever, and then MISTER is the other one. Always bidding against each other. So yeah, great sale, $133. Probably start auctioning a whole bunch of stuff again. This is Sun Valley, Idaho, the Opera House. Real photo. I was hanging out in Jackass Retro's daily morning show in the chat and just talking about postcards, and somehow found out that Sun Valley, Idaho cards were selling for really, really good money. So I know he listed all his Sun Valley, and I listed all my Sun Valley, and got $24.99 at auction for this one. Looks like the same bidder bid twice, and I could have listed that a little higher. Got more money for it, but I'm pretty happy for something that was just sitting in my box unlisted for probably years. So $24.99 for that card. Another person bought this Sun Valley, Idaho in winter skier chairlift roundhouse. $9 for that card. So yeah, get your Sun Valley cards up. This is Miami, Florida. Yeah, Miami Beach, Florida. Exclusive hotel on Collins Avenue, circa 1950s. There's that. Front again. 525. Hawaii volcano lava, real photo. I don't think this is really attributed to Hawaii. You can pretty much guess that's where it is, but it doesn't say Hawaii anywhere on here. So I listed it, probably $9.99, got $7.50 on a best offer for it. Next, this is Colebrook, New Hampshire. Street scene, Texaco gas station, Coca-Cola sign, $8.99. There's your Coca-Cola sign. There's your gas station. And yeah, $8.99 for that card. This is the, let me see, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, World War II Navy ship USS Kidd, DD, and that DD stands for destroyer. If you see DE, that stands for destroyer escort. Hull number 661 destroyer. This is a continental size card, very new, probably 80s, 90s, or whenever barcodes came in. $1.99 for that. Got a whole bunch of them. Trying to get rid of them. World War II 48 star flag, Pledge of Allegiance, Guardians of Our Nation. Have a whole stack of these this is an older listing. The newer ones I think I have listed for a lot less. $5.99 for that card, and a one sale on HIP. Is it Genoa City, Wisconsin? View of Honey Bear Farm number 4. So I have obviously several of these. Been up for years. $6.99. So there you go. Pretty excellent day of sales. Let me know how your sales have been in the comments below. Check me out on Chris's channel on Friday, and stay tuned on Sunday for the premiere of the new postcard lot that I will be expecting to receive. Thank you for watching.